I'm a little gingerbread. I'm sad because people eat me.
Hold on. I know what to do. I know what to do.
The lady is getting in my way. The lady's gonna come eat. Ready? It's gonna eat my arm. Oh no, I'm missing an arm.
Well, at least you didn't get cut down.
Wait.
Chop, chop, chop. And they put weird pointy things on me. And maybe made me pink with ornaments. Whatever that is.
I'm the man.
And I have a point on me. I don't know what it is.
I'm the man who has a mustache. And I come and I take care of the gingerbread man. And then the lady with the
She's the one who cut me down.
I'm the one who cut the tree down, and the lady with the gingerbread, the lady likes to eat gingerbread. Watch, it's gonna come eat it.
I was cut down and decorated. I will never be able to sing "Oh Christmas Tree." This stupid tree will never get to say "Oh Christmas Tree" again. All because of her.
Don't stop it. I have another way.
All because of her. Now I'll never be in the forest, and I'll never be bare again. I can't. I'll never be bare again, and full of weird colors. With a pointy thing. Makes me look scary, doesn't it? Doesn't it?
I've been discovered.
We will kill
We
those
will
trees.
return with the people who did this.